Remove old caulking around a bathtub or shower by working methodically from softening to scraping to cleaning so the new sealant adheres and resists mold. Start by softening the existing caulk with a caulk softener or a silicone caulk remover applied per the product instructions, letting it sit long enough to break down the seal but not so long that it damages adjacent grout or finishes. For acrylic or painted tubs, use a plastic caulk scraper with hooked tips to lift and pull softened material without scratching. For tiled surrounds, use a sharp metal utility blade at a low angle to slice through the bead while protecting tile edges. Never use a metal knife on painted surfaces because you will score and rust the finish, and avoid pushing tools under the bead toward the tub where possible to prevent gouges. After you remove the bulk of the caulk, go back with a stiff nylon brush or a point tool to get residual strands out of corners and joints. Wipe the joint thoroughly with a cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol to dissolve silicone oils and any remaining residue, and let the surface dry completely for at least 24 hours if moisture is present. Before recaulking, mask both sides of the joint with painter tape and apply steady pressure when tooling the new bead to ensure full contact and a smooth finish. Common errors start with rushing removal and leaving gummy residue, which prevents adhesion. Take the extra time to soften and scrape until the surface is dry and visibly clean so the new caulk bonds. Another frequent issue is using metal tools on delicate acrylic or painted surfaces, which produces scratches that trap dirt and encourage mildew. Switch to plastic scrapers and hook tools for those areas. A third problem is failing to fully remove silicone oils and contaminants. Finish with rubbing alcohol and allow true drying time because applying caulk over damp or contaminated surfaces guarantees early failure. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work in their area. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and trade real-world advice about projects like caulking removal.